potential question. How can you use what you already know about counting to count past 100? I can count on a number chart for our daily objective. Many countries around the world speak German as their native language. Look at the map to see some of those countries. We have Germany, Belgium, Austria, Switzerland, and Luxembourg. We are going to give you guys a link where you can go to learn how to count in German. Our review. Jay makes 15 paper frogs. He gives 7 to his sister. That means they're gone forever. How many paper frogs does Jay have left? So he made 15. And he gives 7 to his sister. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I need to count how many I have left to figure out my answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. He has 8 paper frogs left. Number 2, which equations shown below are false? False. That means they're not correct. Choose all that apply. So 9 minus 4 equals 8 minus 3. So 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4 equals 5. 8 minus 3 equals 5. So 5 equals 5. So that one is true. So we don't put anything on that box. 3 plus 3 equals 4 plus 1. 3 plus 3 is doubles. 3 plus 3 is 6. 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. So 6 equals 5? No, it doesn't. 6 plus 5 equals 8 plus 2. Well, I know that 6 plus 5 is almost a double stack, and 6 plus 5 is 11. 8 plus 2. 8 plus 2 is 10. So 11 equals 10? No way. And the last one, 5 plus 5 equals 10 plus 0. 5 plus 5 equals 10. 10 plus 0 equals 10. So, number 3, write an equation to match the story and solve. Draw a picture to help. So, Jen puts 7 flowers in a red vase. There's 7. She puts 13 flowers in a blue vase. Oh my gosh. That's a big old vase. How many fewer flowers are in the red vase than the blue vase? So I need to subtract. I need to say 13 minus 7 equals 13 minus 7. This is kind of tricky for me to solve, so I'm going to erase it and I'm going to draw a picture. I'm going to draw 13 because that was my number. And I'm going to take away the 7 flowers that are in the red vase. And I know that I have 6 left. 13 minus 7 equals 6. So in order to solve, or in order to count up, we are going to use the number chart to help us. When we use this number chart, we're going to find the first number or the number that is shown in our line and go on from there, whether we need to go backwards or forwards. So our first one is 23. So I'm going to put a line underneath of the 23 because I need to come up with the next 4 numbers. 23, 24, 25, 26, and 27. So that's what I'm going to write over here. So this is just continuing counting. You guys all know how to count. We're just counting up or counting back. Like this, let's go to 101. Well, so we've got 101 right here, but we have a line that comes before it. So we need to travel in our number chart or our hundreds chart to go to the number that comes before it, which is 100. Then we need the 3 numbers that come after it. 1, 2, 3. 102, 103, and 104. You can complete the remainder of those on that page. This page is similar with different numbers. This one says, look at each partial number chart and write the missing numbers. For these, we're missing some numbers in our partial chart. We need to fill it in. So, 22 blank, 24 blank, and then I go to the next ones. Blank, 33, blank, 35. So what I can do is I can just count up 22, 23, 24, and 25. If you look, you can see that the ones in each of these are the same, and the tens just go up by 1, like 25 and 35. So 23 and 33. So this one must be 24 and 34. This one must be 22 and 32. So use what you know about tens and ones to fill in the remaining charts. And your activity for today is to complete your Envisions math pages. You've got pages 407, 408, 409,